today we're gonna be doing our second game of the day.
Yeah.
Lightning v Jets.
With the Jets. You remember he gets the title for that?
Yeah, I get to be Connor Hellebuck, the best goalie in the NHL, and we're gonna do 30-second timers. We're inside today. Oh, and I don't think you've ever seen these. These are mini sticks that we use whenever we're inside.
Yeah, and I have my mini stick. If I can show you.
Later.
Yeah, we'll show you later when I'm going. When I'm playing.
And then we're gonna do 30-second period since this place is like really tiny. And let's get started. Okay. So we're gonna do 30-second periods, Lightning v Jets, and let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Okay, don't start.
Yeah.
Don't restart it. Restart it.
It didn't go.
What do you mean? It was 10 seconds. Okay. No, restart it. Okay, starting in 3, 2.
It didn't go.
Starting in 3, 2. Oh my! Wait. Hold up. Netflix.
Guys, we have to start this video too. Okay, this is after the start.
Wait. Netflixing is all complete. We're starting in 3, 2. No, it's not complete. Doesn't let me do that. Okay, now it's 2. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Go. Goal! 1-0 Jets. The first shot of the game.
No.
See? Oh, God, oh my God.
Done. Done.
Oh, done?
Yeah.
So no goal. No goal. 1-0. Okay, started again in 3, 2, 1. Second period started. What a save! What a save! What a save! What a save! Goal! 2-0. Ooh, out of bounds. We had 5 seconds, so that was out of bounds.
No,
5 seconds. 5.
Ready?
Nice start.
3, 2, 1.
Goal! How? Goal.
How much did you put it at?
5.
No, it's 133.
No?
Yeah?
Okay, well there was still 3 seconds left on the clock, so it's good 2 seconds.
Fine.
It's 3-0, and we're going into the third period.
That's a bad start for you.
I know, but it's fine. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my God.
That's what you shouldn't come out from.
Oh! Oh! Hey! Oh, hit the crossbar! 3-0.
So God, let's see if I can actually win this game.
I know.
It's gonna be a kind of game tonight. How are you? Connor Hellebuck, how are you feeling as being goalie?
Well, I'm not, I think I'll be able to save a lot of the Nikita Kucherov shots and Brandon Hagels, but it's fine. What are you gonna do?
You guys should start.
I know. Stay calm.
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Well, I fell, guys.
Give it to me.
Do what? Oh. How do you feel about scoring 4 goals? Nikita Kucherov, how do you feel about scoring 4 goals?
I feel great, but I stay to try my best and always practice with my dad. Yeah. And guys, I'm gonna show you my stick. He was a snow Kyle Connor, I was a snow Vazzy, Vasilevsky, who I met, and now he's Connor Hellebuck, and I'm now Kato.
Okay, we're starting 3, 2, 1, go! Goalie going on the net. Oh! 1-0.
So what's the free?
Yeah.
You said 1-0.
And then 1 goal, guys. Okay. Not feeling so good. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, you're gonna have to try with that.
Pause. Pause, yeah, pause, pause. Okay. When I clear it in. Oh, what a stick. Oh no, my stick, guys. Okay, I got back. Ooh. Okay, how much time? How much time? Okay, you got it. 3-1. You have to score 2 or 3 goals. Okay, starting 3, 2, 1. Okay, really good start.
Pause.
Really good start. Now you have to score 1 and 9. 3, 2, 1. How much time?
15.
Okay, 15.
15.
Hold on. 1.
Oh, no, pause. What do you, he can't do that.
Do what?
He cannot. Bro.
I know, pause.
Oh, no. High timer. No, it's a
The
goal.
timer was paused.
Yeah, the timer was paused like you told it to.
No, it's a goal.
How is that a goal?
How many take 5 seconds off and it's a goal?
No. What?
How many seconds left? I only have 1 second left. How many take all the seconds off and it's a goal? It's a score.
No.
Yes.
What do you mean, Zane? The timer was paused. You can't score a goal when it's paused. You could restart the timer to 10 seconds, and then we'll see what happens. You have a couple chances to score a goal. If not, I win you 2. We're starting at 3, 2.
Hold on, I need to hold something.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, in.
I tried it.
Dang it! Okay, overtime is gonna be 10 seconds.
10.
Yep, 10.
I don't.
Okay,
Yes.
okay,
Yes.
no. Okay,
So how much
starting
money
3,
you score?
2,
So how much
1.
money you score?
How many? Wait, pause. How many seconds is it?
10.
What?
Yes, pass. Or actually, if you want me to be 30, we'll just do 3, 2, 1, in.
Pause.
Want to end it here and I win? You want to forfeit or no? You have 10 seconds to the start. 3,
Stop it.
10, 9, 8.
Stop it.
I can't. 6.
Stop.
Ray, stop.
Ow. Stop.
Ray.
I need help.
What do
No
you?
one cares.
What do you need help
I got
with?
hurt.
What do you need?
Okay, we're going to end it then.
No.
Do you want?
Fine. I'll play. I'm doing that all the things you especially did to me.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Especially you.
Me?
Meg. Yeah, you.
Zane, wanna let in some goals?
What?
Wanna let in some goals? You to win?
What?
You
You
don't
think I want you to win?
Yeah, I like.
No.
Oh, that's rude.
I can keep you one.
Where's this? Where's this? Oh.
Can you use my stick? You're using my stick? What? Why? Why?
Why would I?
Oh. Sit down. Why do you have to unbuckle it?
I only even got the one. It was too tight. Okay, guys. I don't know if I can do this. She's hitting 4-3.
Let's see if Tampa can win tonight.
This is scary.
Maybe Tampa might have to win tonight.
I think you guys are winning today. Because I am not doing my best. Okay. Starting in 3. Starting in 2. Starting in 1. Start!
Okay.
Go! 4-4. You can't do that. Another one. Hey guys, that's it for this video. Hey!
No.
Hey!
I'm gonna end it. I'm ending it. I'm ending the video.
Bye guys!
And
Bye
stop-
guys!
stop.
Peace, the brothers! Bye guys!
Zane, I'm gonna end it if you don't stop fighting.